Tonight we're going to look at the 27th Aethyr ZAA, which was viewed by Aleister Crowley and Victor Neuberg in Sidi Aissa in Algeria on November the 24th, 1909, between 8 and 9 p.m. So Crowley's overview of this Aethyr, he says it's the vision of the initiation of Hecate, the redemption of the woman of witchcraft by love. Now, usually I associate Hecate with the moon card. So it's thing because R214 is the art card. So there's a mashing of the moon card with the art card. The art card's supposed to be Sagittarius, isn't it? So then there's this next sentence, which there might be a typo in here somewhere. Hecate appears as her son, the son of a virgin. A magus is to bring the veil to pass. Strange use of commas in there. And she, the herald, her function fulfilled, withdraws within her mystic veil. I'm wondering if that sentence, there's two sentences there, they're both with three commas, which makes 4 sections within those sentences. So there might be a 1, 2, 3, 4 thing going on here as well.